Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode of our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to stake.us in 2025. Whether you're looking to stake your Bitcoin for rewards or just diversify your holdings, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Coinbase account with some Bitcoin in it, and a stake.us account where you'll be receiving the funds. Always double-check that your accounts are secure. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Portfolio, section and find your Bitcoin. Click on it to access your wallet details. Next, head over to your stake.us account. Go to the Deposit or Wallet section. Here, you'll find your unique Bitcoin wallet address. This is a string of letters and numbers. Copy it carefully because accuracy is key to avoid any mishaps. Now, back in Coinbase, select the Send or Withdraw option for your Bitcoin. Paste the stake.us wallet address into the recipient field. Don't forget to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Start small if you're new to this. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and any network fees. Coinbase might use the Bitcoin network, so fees could vary based on current demand. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction. Sit tight. Bitcoin transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more to confirm, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your stake.us account to see your Bitcoin arrive. A quick word of caution: crypto is volatile, so only send what you can afford to lose, and never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.